In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the use of a different keyboard input method for each application on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select on the left panel where it says time and language, and then on the right side, select typing. Where it says advanced keyboard settings, go ahead and select that. And where it says switching input methods, let me use a different input method for each app window. Go ahead and check mark that, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.